Okay. Last class we talked about introduction and what are the topics we discussed about last class. Did you remember anything you can share to me?
No, you just revise something on a quick note so that we should start properly.
Okay. Last class I discussed some of the topics about introduction of SAP,
Mm-hmm.
about headquarters Germany, R3 tier structure. What is R3 tier structure? Uh, Real time. R stands for real time. Okay? Uh, we have three servers each. There is some no problem. It has three
Some
servers.
disturbance is there in your voice.
My voice,
Yeah, your voice is breaking much.
it's breaking. Is it okay now?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
Now
now
can
it seems to be okay. Few minutes back when you said three tires and after that I don't hear anything.
oh okay. Now can you able to hear me properly? Now it's okay for you?
Yes, okay.
Good. R3 tier structure. R stands for real time. Okay. In this structure, actually, SAP is one of the ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Do you want me to mention in a word? Just a moment. You want me to put in a word, whatever the things. Can you able to see the document, Word document, please?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. Here I will mention the points what I am discussing to you. SAP. Fine for you.
Hello, sir. Max Magic.
Thank you.
Okay. Just data processing. Uh, Introduced in the year 1972. Okay.
Okay. Oh. Mhm.
Initially, it is R3, R1 tile structure. R1, R1, TIER, tile structure. What is tire? Tier. This one. This is the term where they use mostly in European companies. Even some companies, you see in India also some railway companies they use AC2 tire, AC3 tire, the benefits, perquisites, facilities. They use this word mostly. There are some HR companies also they use. There are some HR companies also use this word tire. Okay.
Okay.
Under so and so tier, your bonus or your perquisites will be allowed. They use this term mostly. Some of the European companies. Okay. Since our Indian railways also developed by Britishers, so they may use these kind of things. Okay. Uh, After that, this structure contains one server. One server. You mean what is a server, right? It includes development plus quality plus production. Production
Okay.
server all in one. But later on, it upgraded with same R2 tire structure. R2 R2 same tire TIS same tire. You see here, it has two servers. Two servers. But in the two servers, one is development plus quality one server, and after that they divided second server as exclusively production server. In your real time also you are following this. We'll talk about. Later on it develops with in 1990s it's upgraded with R3 tier or tire, whichever you convenient for your pronunciation. Structure, which is having three server each. Three server each. Here they divided as development one, quality one. They did separately each and everything. Why it is so, we will work out now.
Okay.
And production separate. This is what where we follow a real time scenario. This production server mostly used by the client. Is mostly used by the client.
Client means end
Okay.
user.
End user.
Okay.
Here, mention here. Client. Mostly you can say end user. This quality and development mostly used by the consultants. Mostly it is used by the consultants.
Okay.
Who is here? Consultant is the one bridge between a developer who is consultant. He is a bridge between a developer and a user. User means a employee, and his roles is his roles is gathering requirements of client and configuring and customizing. customization he will do based on the company nature of the company's nature of business, either manufacturing or service oriented or distribution. Okay, coming to FI, coming to FI consultant, they are two types of roles. Number one, FI consultant. Okay. His role is exclusively hiring by example Toyota. What is this? Toyota companies hire exclusively him as a FI consultant to look upon his company financial things and flow of the company transaction belongs to the company problems he users, and they have to train the users. He has to support the users. All the technically which is related to the SAP FICO FI module. For that he will use it. He is not a accountant for that particular Toyota company, but he is a consultant. He will support the users. Who is the users? Employees, those who are working as a accounts and all. This is what.
For Toyota.
Another, sorry.
For Toyota, the accountant who is working for the Toyota, he is supporting him.
Toyota or Volvo, whoever it is. Either Toyota
Understood.
or Volvo, any client, exclusively they will hire them. And another role is there, junior consultant. Is that junior consultant? If Toyota company wants to implement SAP, then these people or IBM or Toyota or Volvo or Ashoka Leyland, any guys, those who are implementing SAP, for that they are the implementing project was done by the who is that? Accenture. They are the implementing projects given to the IBM, Accenture, or etc. In this, junior consultant play only part of the is a part of the project. He is a part of the project, part of project implementation. Got the point? And did you receive any material?
No, not yet.
Okay. Mr. Ajay, he will provide the material for you. In that,
Okay.
we have different, we have different projects, different. Number one, implementation project. Implementation, implementation. Number two, support project. Number three, rolled out project. What is rolled out project? It is nothing but extending project. Rolled out project. There are rolled out projects also there. Next, there are projects coming like migration projects. Migration. Suppose migration one version to another version. Migration project. One version to another version, or non-SAP to SAP version, upgrading version. Upgrading version. Or SAP to non-SAP project. What is non-SAP projects? ERPs which is other than the SAP, like Oracle, PeopleSoft. From there also they will migrate one, or Tally, from one ERP to another ERP. Okay. First of all, what is ERP? What is ERP? That's the question mark. Can you have any idea? It stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for and it is a software. ERP is one of the software where it controls all the departments and consolidating of data flow among all the departments constantly or continuously, continuous with smooth flow of data. Continue with the smooth flow, which I can talk about, which we can tell, which I can say centralized data. It is a centralizing data in a company. Suppose a company is in US, a same company is located in India. It has that control and consolidation. Okay, they are many ERPs along with SAP. Number one, Oracle, as you know, not only SAP in the market. Number two, number two, PeopleSoft. Number three, JD Edward. There are some ERPs now I'm typing here. Number four, IBAN. Even you can say Tally also, IBAN, etc. There are many ERPs in the market. As you know, there are some Oracle and all. There are PeopleSoft, JD Edward, IBAN, Tally. There are many ERPs. Depends upon the place. Some are popular in US, some are popular in Middle East. Depends upon the users and their practitioner. Any doubts in this middle, Vimal?
No, no, no,
Any
no.
other?
I'm fine. I'm fine, Satish. You are going a
Yes,
good way.
and this document you can copy also for your information. It's a rough note. It is not like that for our understanding, better
Yes.
understanding to storing this. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You can send this to my email ID. I will just send you my email ID. So whatever may be the rough note, that would be better for me. So I will be
Sure.
just pinging you on this. Uh,
Note and rough note that. It's the rough note.
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But send it to me when you are finished with today's lecture. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
now we work with in SAP. In SAP, there are different modules. Different modules. There are different modules. One, technical. Technical modules. Technical module. Okay. I just underline here. Technical module. And number two, functional module. Functional module. Technical module, functional module. I can say here in the technical ABAP, which stands for advanced business application and programming. Directly you can say in other languages say programming. Advanced business application program. Just a, okay. And here one more thing is that Next, basis. BASIS. There is no abbreviation for this basis.
Okay.
It's just information for you what these people are doing. Basis. I cannot say much deeper about basis. They're just they'll do installations. Installations. What is this installation? Before your company is ABC company, you want to implement SAP. Currently, you people are using Tally or PeopleSoft or Oracle, whatever ERP. You want to implement SAP for your company. So you people are going to SAP labs. In India is there, Europe countries are there, and these people they will do a quotation based on the number of users, based on the company, whether it's a manufacturing or sales and distribution like Amazon company or a hospital, whatever it is, based on the company, based on the number of users. My company is Hindustan Lever or Unilever. Unilever is one of the company which they promote so many cosmetics, so many FMCG products in all over the world. Any product launching by, suppose last one product was launched by ITC, which is Ayush. Example, I said there are many products released by Wipro, ITC, and all. Immediately, these people they will tie up with Unicorn, Unilever. In India, it's called Hindustan Lever to do the marketing like this. Okay, that type of companies are 120 countries all over the world. So in India itself, there are thousands of people are working back-end project. And I can say Unilever has all SAP. They implement SAP, the whole company, and the service providing by the IBM, Capgemini, CJ. There are some three companies are providing for their transactions, and they have SAP. Many of the users, if I see in India itself, I can say 20,000 employees are working for Unilever client. But all these employees, they are from Unilever company employees, they are outsourcing employees who are outsourced by Oracle, Accenture, Capgemini, IBM. So this
Yeah. Can
many,
you,
yeah.
what is this three company? What you are saying?
Example, suppose Unilever, you have one company, right? For example, Unilever is a one company. They will endorse the work. Example like accounts payables, accounts receivables, some projects they will outsource to like IBM, Accenture, Cognizant, their back-end operations. They will endorse to them. But the whole company, Unilever, and whoever the outsourcing people like IBM, Accenture, all they have to follow the same ERP. Okay, you have to work with the same software, which is SAP implementation by the who implemented Unilever. I think you didn't get clarity regarding this, right?
Yes.
Vimal? Okay. I will give one thing. Forget about Unilever. Example. Uh, you are one of the Mercedes company, right? You have Mercedes company has SAP. Uh, Okay, Vimal?
Yes. Okay. Okay.
And this company is giving some part of activities They can't manage all over the world from directly from the company. They will give accounts payable work for IBM people, okay, accounts receivable for receipts payment, some outsourcing to the BPO companies. What is BPO companies? You have idea? Like
I know.
Accenture,
I know.
service providers. Okay?
Yes.
So they provide the work for them. Still, they need to use the same ERP, no? Who is belongs to Mercedes? Mercedes using SAP. Same SAP they have to use, no? With authorized access.
Okay.
That's right. You have to. You are working on behalf of the employees are working in Accenture, but client is belongs to Mercedes, right? Client is Mercedes, right? Do you have idea about outsourcing companies?
Yes, yes, I
No.
have. I have.
So with this, how many users are there? For them, the installation guys are the one they'll do installations, and they will provide credentials, domain IDs, and it's not easy. They need to join the production server. They need to work with quality server. A lot of things. The installation guys mostly they'll work on installing the system, providing the net for all of the users in same platform with the same servers. Okay. Now coming to functional. Just a moment. Functional. Now we will work with functional. We have functional F5. F5 means accounts. So next F5 CO. CO means controlling. CONT. Sorry, I will do here. Functional module. We saw in technical module two types of models. One is ABAP and one is next one is functional. This is functional. Okay. ABAP means we know, and the second one is basis. Also, I talk about BASIS. Basis. Especially they will do installation. Now functional we are coming. Functional FI, finance. Okay, human resource. You see, these are the modules. Currently, we are learning this module FI with finance, mostly finance. Finance is it's an external report. It generates external. Finance is nothing but a external. What is external reports? It is nothing but a balance sheet, trading profit and loss. Controlling is exclusively internal reports. What is internal reports? You say internal purpose. What is internal purpose? Budget, forecasting, all these things are internal. Are you clear with this? External and internal. Okay. Material
Yes.
management, HR, human resource. It's not mean that you have to stop up to only this. You can learn ABAP also. But to learn the functional, you no need of any background. You no need of any background. Any guy graduates can eligible to do this finance functional module courses based on the domain is priority here doing the question. But coming to ABAP, and here also we are not telling you should need background, but background is priority in technical because this is fully language. They are the developers. Simply, they are the developers. They are the developers. Excuse me, just a minute. They are the developers, and that's why ABAP is required languages. C++, Java. They are the developers. But functional, if it is there for finance, domain is preferable. Sometimes accounts and all, as you have very good domain experience, you have, and that is a priority for them. It is easy. Other modules not required, but mostly, but still, as per domain is added advantage for them. Clear, sir? This is okay up to here. Modules wise, okay. Vimalji?
Yes, Satish. Yeah. Yes, Satish. Yeah. Okay.
We talked about implementation. Now we talk about there are different projects, implementation and all. Once the materials come for you, in this material, it will clearly mention that supporting projects, rolled out projects. Now we talk about material. I told in what are the roles of the FICO consultants also, right? And sometimes you can work as there are the people work as end user level, super user. We will see what are the three types of roles. This is the relevant. Here. Okay. We talk about some roles also. User, end user. Next one, super user. Next one, F5. Sorry. Here we discuss what is this number A. He is having only the knowledge of. He is having only the knowledge of operating and editing the things of the data, but a limited source he will access. He was not provided with all the access. He is accessed with a limited source. Limited application based on these roles. But coming to super user, he also was permitted with limited source, but he was accessed with some alternative source. Not only limited, it is not limited. He is accessed by multiple roles, multiple applications, and some sort of technical also, some technical applications, technical things. So here he is better than user, super user. But FI consultant, he have access lot technically and non-technically. He was better than this FI consultant is far better than super user and end user. He knows technically and functionally. He was better than he is better technical and functional also. That's why he is called as functional consultant. Example, a end user can enter only transactions, but a super users can view the transactions with many days. A lot of data you can view, you can review also, you can upload also. But coming to FI consultant, he is better performing all the data. He can review whatever the end user. He can train the end users. He can train the super users. He can solve the problem. He can resolve the problem. He can resolve the issues. What issues? Lot of support, tech support he can do. This is what you can see. You can learn. Okay. Now
Okay.
technical model we talk about other things, right? Alright. Yeah. Technical model they were developed a lot. Now functional model we talk about, and there are some other functional model like CRM, CR, CRM, customer relationship management. Customer relationship management. Customer relationship, you will be talk to them. Some modules. There are different modules. You can't stop with one module. In future, if you want, you can upgrade. But one module itself very high. Today, there are projects like full life cycle implementation that is called in SAP full life cycle implementation. What is this called? This is also called as end-to-end implementation project. Both are same, either full life cycle and in SAP is the above mentioned thing is called ASAP methodology. What is ASAP methodology? ASAP stands for accelerated SAP. SAP system application. Accelerated SAP. What is SAP? System application production data processing. Product data This is what SAP stands for. It has it has five phases. Five phases. It has five. What is that? Number one, project implementation. Number two, business blueprint. What is this blueprint? It is nothing but detailed document. Detailed document. This detailed document. It has we call as is, existing, and to be. We need to work as is, to be process. As is we can
Okay.
do. Detailed. We can mention whatever the thing. Now we will talk what is detailed.
Okay. Okay.
Detailed. Okay, it is a detailed document. This is called business blueprint. That was prepared by the many of the people, those who discuss. All the key persons are here in project implementation. Here in the material it will mention both sides of the team people. Suppose we are implementing for Reliance, and implementation team is Wipro. Wipro, they gave the project for Wipro to implement. They bought the software and they asked Wipro to implement for Reliance company. So here Reliance people, all key persons, and Wipro people. What is the people? General manager, finance manager from Reliance, HR, same like in Wipro also, project engineer, project manager, FI, senior consultant, CO, consultant. See, both sides people, they will discuss what to do, what not to do. That is called kick-off meeting. They'll gather in kick-off meeting. They are gathering kick-off meeting. So all key members gathering is called kick-off meeting. And these people, they'll create they hire the people, and from their project gathering they will do what is to be implemented, what is existing, what should be in detail, and everything detailed they will prepare. Based on these two phases, there is a third phase called realization. This is what this phase only mostly we are following as a five consultant realization. What they will do here, 60% of work we will do configurations, customization, and customization. Configuration and customizations we do in this. It is 60% of work we do. Later on, fourth phase, uh, final preparation. Final. Here they do lot of testings. They will do testings. Whatever the configure they done, we do configuration. What is that? Organization structure, fiscal year variance, lot of things we do now. This is what in this case we do. After all this we do testing here. Suppose we do configuration for journal entries, cash account data, or bank account data to equity share capital. For this entry, we have to do lot of configurations here in this realization phase. After we do testing, how it's working, and after that there are go live and support. There are go live Go live and support. Go live and support. Here you are going to meet the client side, their end users, and training end users, and here month ending, cutover activities. Lot of things will come. These all things we are working. Number one, two, three. Mostly as a consultant, if you are working in realization implementation, but this is the phase where you are working. In the support, activity here in this phase you are working. Mostly go live and support. You do support. What is support here? After the implementation, every company is facing with some issues. Lot of issues they will face, technical issues. At that time, support is there, and the support will be two levels. One is service level agreement. One SLV. What is service level agreement? It may be chargeable or it depends upon the agreement between the service provider and implementation client. Okay, Vimalji, got that? Hello.
Yes, Satish. Yes, Satish.
These are the things for implementation. These are the phases. End-to-end implementation means the whole 5 to 7 years people, more than 7 or 8 years people, they'll come and they will face all these phases. All this they will experience with all these phases. But currently, those who are below above 3 years or 5 years between, they'll face only either this phase, third one, and fifth one. Okay, from third they will start. Even business blueprint also prepared by the very senior people. Okay, gathering the information from client and all. Here both you are linking with your client. But okay, sometimes with your senior people you will go and face this experience on this also. Here sometimes senior people will take you for the meetings and all. In this also you can experience, depends upon your situation. Okay, sir. Now directly these are the things what we can see later on. How to log on SAP? How to log on SAP and how to navigate SAP. How to log on SAP and how to navigate SAP. Navigating is important. Now I am teaching you navigate. We will go to the navigation part. We will go to the navigation part. Okay, sir. Shall I? Let's see. I will teach how to navigate. Let's go. This is the SAP page. Before we go, I will show you how to navigate SAP. This one, please note in your books.
Okay.
This one note down in your book for your information. I log off SAP.
उसने लॉग ऑफ किया अभी.
Okay. This one also I will close now. Okay. See, look at here. Did you saw one page here?
Yes.
Remember? Now, please note down. Double click on SAP logon icon. This is what graphic user interface. This is the interface. I'll talk to you regarding this. Right? Double click on SAP logon. Better write this symbol also. Finish?
Okay.
And this symbol, see, just like a comparable, you are using Chrome, right? Google Chrome.
Yeah, I'm using Google Chrome and Explorer. Yeah.
Windows Explorer. See how once you click that, how it's taking you all your operating system based on that Windows Explorer or Google Chrome. It will take you the web browsing, web pages, right? Same way, this interface also will take you to SAP servers. Okay, you saw right? Just now I told one example. Chrome, again
Yes,
it takes
yes.
out of first it's taking right. Same way, this interface also will take you. We just double click. I'll just double click. See, SAP Network and before introduction part, just half an hour before, I talk about development, quality, production, right? That we called system landscape. Still on the mic, not a problem. Are you okay, Vimalji?
Yes, 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 Satish. Now
We
we have
talk
to
about
click on.
we talk about three servers in introduction
Sorry,
part. Do you remember?
sorry.
Three servers we talk about.
Yeah, yeah. One tier, two tier, and three tier. It is production, quality, and developer.
Development. First
Yes.
development, quality
Yeah.
or testing, both are same. No production. Three servers, right? Here it
Okay.
comes.
Yeah.
ECC1, ECC2, ECC3, or some companies they maintain D2, D3. The servers are arrangement here only.
Okay. So what is this? This is called one tier.
Three times. You can say,
It is
you
one.
can imagine.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
three,
Mhm.
three times server only we are using now. Okay. Since it's a
Mhm.
demo, only ECC is provided. But in real time, while you're working with your companies like D1, D2, the any number of servers they use. Some people, some companies they will, some companies they'll manage. What is that? Yeah, some companies they'll manage even demo server, development, quality separate, testing separate, separately they use. It will mention here. That's what I'm telling. For your information, the servers will appear here. See, now we are using only ECC. This is for our education purpose. Are you seeing here? Okay.
Okay.
Now we click on our development server. All servers are in the same application. You cannot find out that this is separate, that is application will be same. But their routing, the server routing, we are different. We are dividing there before this page. You saw now.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Now, once you click on your development server or either testing or client, which is client production, why we don't use client mostly for development? Question is,
Because that is for end user.
yeah, but even though why we are not doing any development in the client, in the production center? Why?
Because first we have to test, and finally it will be released to the end user. So we should not use client, right? As per my understanding.
Okay, excuse me, I need to have some water. There is some spray was done in my house,
Okay.
pesticide.
Yeah, yeah.
In my, I break that one. Okay. See, if we do development if you do development or testing, in the production server, the production server have the existing transaction data. What is the transaction data? Every day the company has so many transactions, either payments or receipts, sales, lot of transactions. Okay, that will affect. It may crash also. So no client will accept to do the trials or testings or any modifications in the transaction data. We cannot change. We'll come to know what is that customizations. Here we
Okay.
have three types of data: master data, configuration data, and just wait, I will tell you. I will tell you in coming classes. For your information, we are maintaining configuration data, master data, and transaction data. These three data I will talk to you. Not you can note down, not a problem. Now we are in the navigation part. First we will complete the navigation, then you can note down. After clicking that client here, client 800, right please, user, password, language, please note down. One by one you please note down.
Okay.
Here client is 800. See, other than 800, everything is comes as a real time. But 800 SAP people, they only demonstrate for, it is demonstrated for only for education purpose, training purpose. Remember, if you tell 2 years of experience you have in SAP, then interviewer asks which client they are using. If you tell 800 means it is fake. Are you clear?
Fake. Fake 800 means?
You should not tell, being an experience in SAP, you should not tell about 800 clients.
Okay.
800 if you are fresher, if you are now only just now you are entering in SAP field, you can tell 800 because you got trained.
Okay.
Other than 800, you can use any client, not a problem. But freshly you are entering now, not a problem. User, write the user, USER, user 12, user 12. I want to lock capital letters lock. User 12, user 12. Password FICO, FICO 123. It won't appear. It all in default star marks. Did you wrote?
Yeah, yeah. Ajay gave me.
Hmm. FICO 123. Enter please. Just enter.
So language we do not have to select.
Which one, Vimal?
Language we do not have to select.
Yes, yes, good. Write the language. EN. It's a default. You
Okay.
want then write. No, but EN default. Now I didn't give because the default, right? If I don't give, it takes EN.
Okay.
For other information, there only put and write in language nearby. SAP provide 41 languages. Out of EN, English is default. That's why I didn't give. Got the point now?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Now, look at here. Menu, edit, favorite, extra, setting, help. Up to here. Up to here. Don't you forget about these two. This is one is our conference, one is our web sharing. Okay, remote conference. This two is remote.
Okay.
Don't. This is ignore please.
Okay.
After that, up to here, this first bar is called menu bar, right? First bar or first row
Okay.
is called menu bar. First row is called menu bar. Okay, next. This
Yes.
one here, you can see here,
Yes. Yes.
you can use your cursor. If you want, try to use your cursor. Can you show me? Do you have access? No.
No, I don't have right now access.
Then I'll show here. You see bino clock,
Yes. Yes.
up to here. Where is up to this bar, right? Up to here.
Okay.
Starts ends here, starts here. From pick bar, right? This
Yes.
second row or second bar, whichever you like, second row is called standard toolbar. Please write. This is called standard. This is all in one soft copy. It is available. Not a problem. This is called standard toolbar. It's not completely required. It includes command toolbar. This is called command toolbar. It includes command toolbar. Okay.
Okay.
This include command toolbar. What is this command? Command means nothing but shortcut keys we use. We call in SAP T codes. In our SAP term, we call T codes. Your
Pico.
useful
Oh,
T code is nothing but a shortcut key.
T code or P code?
T for chai.
Okay.
T code, shortcut key is nothing but a short. And the
Okay.
third row is called, where is third row? What you can see in third row?
The below
Can you,
down your cursor.
yeah. This is what third row. It ends here, starts here. Start from here, end here. What is this called? Third row. What you can see here?
Step
What you,
easy X.
this is called title bar. Title bar. It's called title bar. See, look at here. I am changing here F dash 02. Title bar. What is this title bar? It is telling now.
Enter GL account posting header data.
Great. It is the title where it tell you where you which page you are in, which application you are in. This will tell you. I'll go back
Okay.
again. Look at here. I'll go. I can go. I can use this one to go back. Okay.
Yes.
This
Okay.
is home page. Here title bar is telling. Third row is called a title bar. There are titles will come. Next, fourth row. Fourth row. Where is fourth row? This is the one. Starts here, ends at here. Start there, ends at here. This is called application toolbar. What is this called? Application toolbar. In this page, what are the applications we'll get? Look at the SAP Business Workplace, lot of applications. If I take you here also, F-0 to different place or different application also, here these applications will change. There are applications. Look at it. This is called application toolbar. It
Okay.
depends on different applications, different pages having different options of application. Got the point? But the standard toolbar never change. That's why this is called standard toolbar. This is title bar. This is menu bar. This is application. Again, we'll go back to our home page. Let's see slash n. I'll tell you what is slash n. This is our home page. Okay. Now, last bar, which is called fifth bar, right? Fifth row. Fifth row is called fifth row is called status bar. Can you tell me where is the status bar will located?
Yeah, it's below the head held document. It's document date, posting date. It's called as a status
Oh
bar, right?
no, no, this is not a bar. This is all display. From here to here, this is all display. Okay, just like your
Okay.
Word document, Excel document only. This concept is also just like here. This is all display. Okay, I will show
Okay.
you. See where the status bar is coming.
Here.
Where is that?
Where yeah, yeah, red mark is open.
Start here, ends here, up to here. This is called status bar. The same concept. Your Word, Excel, lot of same concept. Got the point, Vimalji? This is the navigation.
Yes, yes, yes.
We are in the page of enter GL account. Now we want to go back. Just slash n. Right. Slash n to
Uh-huh.
go to home page. To go back.
Okay. Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
Now, still we discuss about menu bar. We discuss about standard toolbar. We discuss about title bar. We discuss about application toolbar. We discuss about status bar. Now, we need to discuss there are some in the middle. This is what menu. What is this? End users, there are different types of end users for our company. Users is nothing but a employees. Suppose a finance employee can use this accounting. He has limited access. He cannot go all these things, right? General ledgers, the guy who is entering the document, he will enter. Junior accountant, he will enter the document. Enter GL account. Look at that. Company code 1000 I'll give. We'll talk about how to creation of company codes again. Today class it will go. Enterprise structure. See here. Who is the entering here? A
Okay.
user will enter transaction. For this, we do customization. I'll take you back. A finance employee, a finance employee will do the entry here. Wherein SAP easy access, SAP menu. This is SAP menu. Same like that, a logistic employee, material management. He will enter purchase order. What is purchase order creation? We don't create. Let's see what is this. This is ME21M. Purchase order ME21M. Look at that. Not belongs to us. A MM employee, he'll work.
Okay.
Purchase order. This is how class was designed based on this. And all this is not accessible to the employees. The employee who is in the role of accounting, he has some limited permission up to finance accounting. The guy who is in accounts receivable, he has limited permission of accessible to the document entry of account receivable and invoice based on the roles of the employees. All single person cannot go all these things. Okay. Now you got it? A HR guy, he can go here and inward. You got it now?
Yeah.
Okay. And here there are some favorites also. Suppose I can directly take you to accounting, GM accounting, right?
Yes.
Document entry. What is this? GM account. Right click, add to favorite. Add to you don't need to go always. Look at that. Directly I add to favorite, right? Is that also
How you did it? Can you please show again?
I'll show. Not a problem.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
I will tell you now. Slash n to go back. Right, please. Slash n.
Yes. Slash n is to go to home page.
Right. Next. To insert transaction in favorite. Right. To insert transaction in favorite. Example. GL account document. Enter GL account document. F-02. Okay.
Okay.
Now come. Write the path. Path easy access. Arrow mark. Accounting. Financial accounting.
Okay.
See my cursor. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
General
Yes.
document entry.
Yes.
See, look at here. Enter GL account. On enter GL account, click on right click.
Okay.
Click on right click. Now, add to parent. Got it now?
Yes. Yes. Got it.
Fine. Again, you can do delete also. See? Again, you can click on that. Just right click, delete parent.
Okay.
You can insert folders also. Right. To insert folder, again, same folder. Document, entire document folder you want to insert, right? Click on insert folder, open folder, add to favorite. Let's see how to insert. Menu, Adu. From menu bar, favorite, from menu bar, favorite, huh? Insert folder. Is it okay?
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
next point, folder name, Vimal, Vimal, Vimal document. Enter, please. Got it, sir?
Oh. Yes. Yes.
Very good. Now, next, to insert transaction code. Right, next point, to insert transaction code. From menu bar, favorites, from menu bar, Favorite. Insert transaction. Here, insert
Yes.
transaction. Click on that. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, tell me that. Oh, only Google Pay is there. Phone Pay also goes for account directly. But Phone Pay is not there. Google Pay is there. Paytm is there. Paytm is there. Paytm is there. Paytm you want to transfer, but account you have to transfer. That's what it is. I'll always tomorrow you have my body. You want my bank details or a bank details? Google Pay you don't have. Okay, if not work, try once. Evening I'll call you. 5:30. Sorry. 5:30 I'll call you. Sometimes it won't work. Don't worry. Sorry, Vimal. I told some F-02, right?
Yes.
F-02. If you don't remember, that is GL account. Enter GL account, right?
Yeah, enter GL account document. Yeah.
Transaction code F-02. Enter. See, enter GL account. Look at that. Got it now?
Yes, yes.
There you go. Favorites. Insert transaction F-0.
Two. Yeah.
But here
Okay.
F-0 is appearing. I need to do settings here. Just a moment. Display technical detail. Say transaction
Okay.
settings I need to do. Display favorites. Do not display menu bar. Display technical name. That's it. That's it. That's
Okay.
displaying on. Now you can getting right FG02
Wow. Yes,
256.
yes. Yeah, good, good. Yeah.
You want to know? You look at here. From menu bar,
Mm-hmm.
if you are not getting displaying this transaction code, from menu bar, like extra, the menu bar arrow mark,
Uh-huh.
X setting or technical details also let's see.
Setting or a technical details?
Settings. Go
Okay.
to display favorites at the end of the list or display technical name. Write these two boxes. Okay,
Yes, sir. Okay.
that's it. Just enter. We can have any number of favorites here. We can insert folder. We can insert T codes. How to insert T codes? I told right.
Yes. Yeah.
And in this, sometimes for configurations also we have separate tools is given by SAP tools, right? Now you want to do customization, right? For ABAP people, ABAP is there. Our configurations we are taking. Look at here. Configuration IMG, right? IMG stands
Okay.
for implementation guide.
This will have an access to end user as well?
No, end users cannot.
Okay.
This is allowed for consultant.
Okay.
Next, Pro stands for SPRO. Pro stands for SAP project reference object.
Sorry.
SAP project reference object.
Okay.
Okay. In this object we will get. First we put in the add to favorite. That's it. We will
Mm-hmm.
insert the favorite. Got it now?
Yes, got it.
Got the point? So
Yes,
now
yes.
this is what mostly we do here. All the configurations we need to work on Pro. Implementing. To implement, this is the key where we want. We took from tools. We took from tools. Got the point now? That we have to our favorites. This is the place where we are working. Implementation guide. Okay. So tab project reference object. Where all the configurations we need to do. Now we will work on enterprise structure. Hmm? Before uh, the specialty of consultant job is he will gather the information from client requirement. He will design what type of business, what type of organization, what are the requirements he is seeking. Everything that gap should be do by the consultant only. He will map. Okay. Now we do one mapping. I will show you in the material now. Okay. I will minimize this page.
Okay.
Okay. Here there are two pages. One is implementation. This is Pro, right? Now I open. Another is SAP menu. What the point? In this menu, I told all users will work. User employees on production. Are you getting
Yes.
production? And here, all the people, consultants, mostly consultant work in this stage. Right. Now I minimize this. There are two pages. SPRO, Pro. That easy access. Okay. Here, only only consultant. But here, only consultant. But here, end users. Who is end users? You may employ end user. Yes, end user. Sometimes, sometimes consultants also. Consultants will find no consultants also. Sometimes consultants. Okay, sir. Now you got
Yes,
it.
Satish bhai. Yeah, yeah.
This is what going on. So end users, but SAP easy as so pro only consultants. End users cannot allowed. We don't have access. Consultant have access. Got the point? This is what we work about navigation. We do some navigations of this thing, how to log on SAP and all these things. Okay. Next,
Okay.
I will take you to enterprise picture. Now, enterprise enterprise.
Pracować. 5. Poniedziałek.
Okay. Good. Enterprise structure. What is our organization structure? Or organization in SAP FI module. Especially, I'm talking about FI. You see here, CO is different, FI is different, MM is different. Now look at here in FI. Company, company, company code, business area. This is one. Before that, they have one more, which is client. This is the one we are following. Same in CO different, even in MM, client, company, plant, and storage. Okay, sir? You want me to tell in plant also? Client, company, company. These are the one we are following in FI.
This will be in the financial,
Only for
right?
FI. FI.
Only for FI. Okay.
Structure for FI. If you see in MM, enterprise structure in MM, instead of FI, this is same, this is also same, but here it changes. No, no, not company. Company code, plant, storage locations will change in MM. CO operating concerns will change. Okay, I will show you. Different models have different, but still, since we are in FI, I am taking the FI.
Yeah, Lord, let's go with one by one.
Uh, Here we talk about enterprise structure today. We talk about enterprise structure.
Okay.
How is this enterprise structure? I will show you.